Have you ever wondered how businesses bring their technology visions to life? Today, I'm going to be walking you through the software development process step by step so you can understand exactly how great software is built. Stick around. Hey everyone, it's Chris with Westside Technology Solutions, and today I'm breaking down the software development process, a topic that's at the core of what I do. If you're new to the field or just looking for some insights, this will help you better understand how your ideas go from ideas to functional software. So first things first, what exactly is the software development lifecycle? In simple terms, it's a structured approach that guides the software creation from start to finish. It ensures that the product is delivered on time, within budget, and meets your expectations. Most companies follow this process to ensure that nothing gets overlooked. It's sort of like the backbone of software development. So let's dive a little bit deeper into each of these stages. The first stage is planning. This is where everything starts. In this phase, I gather requirements from the client, define the scope, and set goals for the project. At Westside Tech, I focus very heavily on understanding my clients' needs because this phase really is the most important and sets the foundation for the success of the project. Step number 2 is design. This is where I outline how the software will look and function. This includes user interfaces and user experiences, as well as architecture planning for the backend. The third step is development. This happens after the design is locked in and agreed upon. Developers get to work, and this is where the coding happens. Whether it's a mobile app, web app, or a custom tool, I use a variety of programming languages and frameworks to build the solution as we agreed on. Once development is complete, testing is the next step. Quality is very important, so I rigorously test the software to catch bugs and ensure everything works smoothly before it goes live. Finally, the fifth step is deployment. At this stage, this thing is ready to go live. This means launching the software into a real environment where users can start benefiting from it. And the last step, step number 6, is maintenance. Post-launch support ensures that any bugs or updates are handled swiftly, keeping software running smoothly. There are a couple different methodologies we can use to guide the development process. The most popular one, and the one that I prefer to use, is Agile. In an Agile environment, I work in sprints, short, focused development cycles that allow for frequent updates and quick adjustments based on feedback and evolving needs. Other methodologies like waterfall take a more sequential approach. That works a little bit better for projects with clearly defined goals from the start. Every single project has its own unique software development workflow. Typically, with Westside Tech Solutions, I use tools like Git for version control and Asana for task management. These tools help me stay organized and keep communication clear. And that's basically a complete look at the software development process. It's a journey of creativity, collaboration, technical precision, communication, and planning. If you're interested in developing a custom software or want to know more about how I can help your business thrive, feel free to reach out. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any questions in the comments. See you next time.